Good morning. We are doing number of nouns topic. I told you in the last class that number of nouns means one and many, singular and plural. In class 1 we say one and many, but in class 2 we use the different term that is singular and plural. Singular means one, plural means many. Now children, we add s in some of the words and make them plural. We add s in some of the words and make them plural or many from one. Like the word is cow, dog, tree, book, park, market, tiger, student, friend, uncle, teacher, mother, ball. So all these words are one cow, one dog, one tree, one book, one park, one market, one tiger, one student, one friend, one uncle, one teacher, one mother, one ball. And when we add is in these words, they become many. Like cow, and we have added s, it has become cows. Means it has become many. These are one, these are many. These are singular, these are plural. Now, dog, when we add s, it becomes dogs. Tree, when we add s, it becomes trees. Book, when we add s, it becomes books. Park, when we add s, it becomes parks. Market, when we add s, it becomes markets. Tiger, when we add s, it becomes tigers. Student, when we add s, it becomes students. Friend, when we add s, it becomes friends. Uncle, when we add s, it becomes uncles. Teacher, when we add s, it becomes teachers. Mother, when we add s, it becomes mothers. Ball, when we add s, it becomes balls. All these are singular, one. All these are plural, many, by adding s. Now, second type of one and many are when there is a word which ends with s, o, double s, ch, sh, x. If any word ends with s, o, double s, sh, ch and x, then we don't add only s in that word. Okay, like there is a word potato. Potato, it is ending with s. It is ending with, o. Then we will add, to make it plural, we will add not s, we will add es. When any word ends with s, bus, this is ending with s, this s, then we will make it plural by adding es. By adding es. If any word ends with double s, see this, glass, double s, then we add after double s es to make it plural. When any word ends with ch, branch, ch, this is ch, then we add not s to make it plural, we will add es. If any word ends with sh, then we do not add only s. To make it plural, we will add es. Now, when any word ends with x, box, box, then we do not write only s or add only s, we add es to make it plural. So those words which it ends with s, we write es at the end of the word to make it plural. When the word ends with o, we write es at the end of the word to make it plural. When any word ends with double s, we write es to make it plural. When any word ends with ch, we write es to make it plural at the end of the word. And when any word ends with sh, we write es or we add es in that word to make it plural. And when any word ends with x, we add es to make it plural. So children, I think you would have understood this simple rule. When words ends with any letter, then we add only s to make it plural. But when words ends with s or o or double s or ch or sh or x, then we add es, not only s. So you have to learn all this s, o, double s, ch, sh, x, so that you can find out and write the correct way or make the word plural by adding es. Okay, so you have to learn this s, o, double s, ch, sh and x. When you will read the word, you will come to know what you have to do, whether you have to add only s or es. Okay children, learn this. This is must. Learn this. Okay, bye bye. We will meet in the next class.